Hi, my name is Marina and welcome to the Energy Fix. I have this new series for you and I hope that you really enjoy it. I made it for a few reasons. I made it for people who want a quick workout to make themselves move fast but feel good. I also made it because I'm human and I sometimes get in ruts. I don't want to move or I'm just feeling uninspired. And that is really where the birth of this series came from. I wanted something short but packed a punch and made me feel good, either helping just my energy level raise or giving me some mental clarity or helping me with mobility, just making me feel good in a short amount of time. This series includes 9 classes. It's going to be 8 mat classes, 1 bonus reformer for you. I did include some props. Some of the classes have hand weights, some have the magic circle, and really this class is for anyone that has at least an intermediate-ish Pilates practice. So you're familiar with all the movements and can keep flowing. This series does not have to be done in the order that it is shown to you. You can pick and choose as you'd like to do it. But just know that it's there for you to support you and whatever you're looking for that day. And know that you can fit it in no matter what, because I did make sure that the workouts are, for the most part, under 20 minutes. And they will leave you feeling great. So I hope that you'll join me and I will see you on the mat or the reformer, because there is 1 reformer bonus class for you. And I'll see you soon.